Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic vacuums. On my left, we have the Lefant M210, and on my right, the eufy X8 Pro. Two robot vacuums, one epic showdown. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a super budget-friendly $199. That's like the cost of 1.5 fancy dinners. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro is a whopping $649. For that price, it better not only clean my house, but also cook me breakfast and walk the dog. Pet owners, listen up. The Lefant M210 is a pet hair warrior. With its brushless suction port, it makes sure pet hair goes straight into the dustbin without getting tangled. Perfect for families with fur babies. Reviewers love how it handles pet hair on tile and hardwood floors. The eufy X8 Pro, on the other hand, has a tangle-free roller brush. It's like a hair salon for your vacuum. It detangles itself. Reviewers appreciate its efficiency and strong suction power, especially on carpets. So no more wrestling with the brush to free it from the clutches of fur. Let's talk cleaning modes. The Lefant M210 offers 6 different cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. But beware, zigzag mode on carpet is like trying to dance in roller skates. Reviewers note that it's versatile but can struggle on carpets. The eufy X8 Pro, however, has customizable AI Map 2.0. You can set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's like having a bouncer for your vacuum. Sorry, no entry. Reviewers rave about its intelligent mapping and obstacle avoidance. Suction power. The Lefant M210 has a strong digital motor that gets the job done. But if you're looking for beast mode, the eufy X8 Pro brings 2 times 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a bodybuilding competition. Your carpets won't know what hit them. Reviewers are impressed with the eufy's powerful suction, while the Lefant is considered decent but not exceptional on carpets. Battery life is crucial. The Lefant M210 boasts up to 120 minutes of runtime thanks to its lithium iron phosphate batteries. That's like 2 whole episodes of your favorite show. Reviewers appreciate its long battery life, but note it loses strength towards the end. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro takes it up a notch with a dustbin that empties itself and only needs replacing every 45 days. Imagine not having to think about vacuuming for a month and a half. Pure bliss. Reviewers highlight its convenience and efficiency. Overall, reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a great budget-friendly option, especially for pet owners and those with hardwood or tile floors. It's versatile and easy to use, but struggles on carpets and towards the end of its battery life. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro is praised for its powerful suction, smart mapping, and convenience. It's considered a premium option that justifies its higher price for those who want top-tier performance and features. So who takes home the Buy Smart trophy? If you're on a budget and need a pet-friendly, versatile cleaner, the Lefant M210 is your new best friend. But if you want the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums with powerful suction and hands-free cleaning, splurge on the eufy X8 Pro. Both are great, but it all depends on your needs and, of course, your wallet. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below on which vacuum you'd pick and why. Until next time, remember to buy smart. Product links are in the description.